Now in this paper number 34, Cgl Tier 1. Now question number 1, it is based on number series. Now 6, 13, 44. Now if you observe here, 6, 13, 44, 108, then blank and 371. Now if you observe here, ma cheppandi ఏ మోడల్లోకి వస్తుంది, డిఫరెన్స్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆర్ కాంబినేషన్. మా ప్రోడక్ట్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, చాయిసెస్ చూడండి, 196, 205, 214. నా ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా నెంబర్ తీసుకుంటే ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి అట్లీస్ట్ డబుల్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ డస్ నాట్ ఫాల్ అండర్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆర్ కాంబినేషన్, హెన్స్ ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి డిఫరెన్స్. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ? మా డిఫరెన్సే చెప్పాలి. అండ్ 6 and 13, 7. 13 and 44, 31. 44 and 108, 64. Now 7 and 31 difference enta? 7 and 31 difference is 24. And next one, 31 and 64 difference enta vastundi? 33. 33 is the difference. Then again 24 and 33, the difference could be 9. And next one, 33 plus 9 is how much? 42. That means 64 plus 42. How much to be added? 106. Now if you add 106 to this one, 108 plus 106 and 214. 108 plus 106, 214. And 214, that is choice 3. And next one, 42 plus 9. What is the number we have? 51. 106 plus 51. And ravali 157. Saripenda is 157. Clear? And so what is your answer here? 214, that is choice 3. Differences of differences are constant. Question number 1, that is choice 3. Then coming to question number 2. Now in the second one, how many are there? There are 5 employees, PQ or SNT, and they are of different heights in a class. Now 5 persons, these 5 persons are being compared in the heights. And P's height is more than only one student. And ekadundali cheppandi, where should this P? And P's height is more than only one student and lesser than the remaining 3. And next one, Q's height is more than S and P. Q is more than S and P, but not more than R, but lesser than R. And hence where should this R? And R must be R. And Q side is more than S, but lesser than these two. And S side is more than P. S is more than P. If S is more than P, R, Q, S and P must be in this order. And who is the person left over? T. Then who is having the maximum height in the class? Maximum height among these 5 is R, that is choice 5, question number 4. Question number 2, choice 4. Saripenda? And next one, question number 3. Now in this one, select the correct combination of mathematical signs and balance the equation. Now first one, 48. 48 minus 4, 48 minus 4 plus 6 equals to 3 divided by 30. Now tell me what is the answer here. Are you getting the answer or not? Now 3 divided by 10. No, sorry, 3 divided by 30 is nothing but 1 by 10. Now 1 by 10. It pakka manaki 1 by 10 వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? No. And choice 1 is ruled out. Next, 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4 equals to. 48 divided by 4 is almost 12 equals to. Then 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 30, 48. Now 12 is not equals to 48. That's again ruled out. Next one, 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4 is so much 12 plus 6 into 3 is so much 18 equals to how much? 30. And 30 equals to 30, that is choice 3, question number 3. Then coming to this fourth one, now if you check out the letters, first letters in each of these one, A and G. What is the difference? 1 and 7 plus 6. G plus 6M. M plus 6 is what? S. First letter is S. As first letter is S here, choice 2, choice 4 are ruled out. Now we are left with 1 and 3. Now between these two, if you check out the second letter, C and J plus 7, J and Q plus 7, Q plus 7, 17 plus 7, 24 is X. S and X, this is again ruled out, choice 1. And question number 4, first letters difference is plus 6, second letters difference is plus 7. And so what is the answer we have? Choice 1, question number 4. Then fifth one, W at the rate of V. W at the rate of V means at the rate of W is the father of V. Now this W is the father of V and V end. V end means V is the brother of T. V is the brother of T. and T percentage. And T is the sister of Q. T is the sister of Q. Clear? And T is the sister of Q. Then how is W related to Q? W is the father. That is choice for question number 5. Then sixth one, there are 5 friends seated around a circular table. And 5 friends seated around a circular table like this. And facing the center, Arun is to the immediate left of Harish. If Harish is here, then Arun is at this place. Arun is to the immediate left of Harish. Pawan is to the immediate right of Mahi. Vamsi is to the immediate left of Mahi. Vamsi is to the immediate left of Mahi if Mahi is here. Now Vamsi is to the immediate left of Mahi and Pawan is to the immediate right of Mahi. Pawan is here. Saripenda? Then who is sitting between Pawan and Arun? Now tell me who is that person? Is there any person? And Pawan ke Arun ke mazre Arun na japan. And Arun is sitting to the immediate left of Harish and Pawan is to the immediate right of Mahi and Vamsi is to the immediate left of Mahi. Then who is sitting between Pawan and Arun? Ama Pawan ke Arun ke majlo? Yes, Vamsi. Now in this order, there is no person in between these two. Now in this order, among these 3, now who is the person left over? Vamsi. Vamsi, that is choice 1, question number 6. Vamsi is third to the left, sorry. Vamsi is third to the left of Mahi. Then Vamsi is third to the left of Mahi. Then 5 friends were there. Now who are those 5? Arun is sitting to the immediate left of Harish. And next one, Vamsi is third to the left of Mahi. As Vamsi is third to the left of Mahi, Vamsi is here. Third to the left of Mahi, Mahi is here. Ante kada? 1, 2, 3. Then who is the person left over? Pawan. Now Pawan is to the immediate right of Mahi, Pawan is there. Saripeda? Then according to this one, who is sitting between Pawan and Arun? Pawan ke Arun ke majre Arun or Vamsi? Vamsi, that is choice 1, question number 6. The next one, 7th one, it is based on syllogisms. All these stars are planets. Now this entire stars is a part of planet and all these planets are a part of this galaxy. All stars are planets, all planets are galaxy. All stars are galaxies too. Some stars are planets. All stars are planets is true. Some stars are planets is also true. Avuna kada? All nunchi some cheppocha leda? All stars are planets. And similarly, some stars are planets is also true. Both 1 and 2, choice 3, question number 7. The next one, 8th one. My 8th one, Japal. Now in this question number 8, if P denotes division and so on, then P stands for what? P stands for division, and P stands for division, and Q is into, and R stands for plus, and S is for minus. Then 11Q. 11 into 34, which are the following statements is true? 11 into 34, 11 into 34, and P means divided by 17. Divided by 17, S stands for minus 8, and P stands for divided by 3, divided by 3. Now, 11 into 34 divided by 7 is how much? 2. 11 into 2, 22. 22 minus 8 by 3. Now 22 minus 8 by 3, is it equals to 11 by 13 by 3? 38 by 3 avutunda? And 22 into 3, it is not. And choice 1 is ruled out. Then similarly coming to choice 2. Now in this choice 2, 6 and Q. Now 6 into 18. And next one, S stands for minus. And P stands for division. And R stands for plus. And plus 7. Now 18 minus. And P stands for what? P stands for division. Now 26 divided by 13. This is 2 minus 6 into 18 and 18 into 6, 108. Minus 26. And plus minus 26. Sorry. Minus 2 kada. And 6 into 18 minus 2 plus 7. Is it equals to 173 by 13? And 13 division ekkada manaki ekkada raane ledu manaki. Because it is directly divided by this. And this is again ruled out. Then choice 3. Now 32, R stands for plus, and P stands for division, and 8 divided by 2, and S stands for minus. Now in this one, 32, 8 divided by 16 and 1 by 2. And 32 plus 1 by 2 minus 4. Is it equals to 3 by 4? Ma 3 by 4 ki equal avutunda? and 32.5 minus 4 is 28.5, 28.5. And this is again ruled out. Finally, we are left with the choice 4. Now in choice 4, R stands for what? Plus. And P stands for division. Now 9 divided by 9. And S stands for minus. And Q stands for into. Now in this, 9 plus 9 divided by 9 is how much? 1 minus 9 into 9. 9 into 9 is how much? 81. Now 10 plus 10 minus 81 equals to minus 71. Hence choice for question number 8. The next one, ninth one. Ninth one, it is based on letter sequence. Now the letters are repeated or not? Repeated avutunnaya ledha? As the letters are repeating, SC is repeated, SC is repeated. Hence now we need to count the total number of elements. How many elements are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 5 into 3. Ante kada? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Now first SEN. Here also SEN, ES. SEN, ES. Now SEN, ES. Then what are the terms that is left over here? SEN, SES. SEN, SES. Choice for question number 9. Clear? The next one, 10th one. Now in this 10, 736 and 7. And this 736 can be written as, ela raskochu cheppandi, and it is more nearer to 9 cube. 9 cube plus 7. Raskocha ledha? 7, 9 cube plus 7. 9 cube is 729 plus 7 is 736. And in the same way, ikkada chudandi. 4, and this can be written as, and 6 cube plus 4. 6 cube plus 4. Ma saripinda ledha 6 cube. And 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 is here. As 8 is here, now 8 cube plus this number 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Now 10 cube plus 8 plus 8. 10 cube plus 8 and 1008. 1008 choice 3. Now follow here. Now here it is 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 cube plus this number. 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 cube plus this number. 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 cube plus this number. 1008 choice 3 question number 10. Now 11th one Japal. Now in this question number 11, now we need to arrange them in an English dictionary order. And first time was in Japan, EC, and out of this EC, L comes first, and 5 first and 1. 5 and 1 is the order. 5 and 1, these two were ruled out. The next one, 5, 1. Next time, Raval Japani, ENO, ELE. L comes next. And so 5, 1, 3, that is choice 3, question number 11. Then 12th one number series, 5 and 11. 5 and 11 can be written as 5 into 2 plus 1. 11 into 2, 22 plus 3. Into 2 plus 1. Next one into 2 plus 3. And next one, 25 into 2, 50 plus 5. And 50 into 2, 110 plus 7. Into 2 plus 9. And into 2 plus 11. And 243 into 2. And 486. Plus 11, 497, choice for question number 12. Saripinda? Into 2 is common. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are added. Odd numbers are added, 12th one. Then coming to 13, all these camels are bats. This entire camel is a part of what? Bat. And no bat is parrot. No intersection between bat and a parrot. And some camels are lions. Some of the camels are lions. And some bats are lions, definitely true. No parrot is a camel, definitely true. And no parrot is a lion, as of now, definitely true. And out of these three, the second and the third are what? Negative conclusions. As they are negative conclusions, then we need to draw an alternate diagram. No parrot is a camel. False or some parrots are camel. Can I write parrot like this? Parrot illa raskoja? No, it is not possible because B and P cannot be intersected at all. Bat and parrot. Here parrot రాసామనుకోండి ఏమవుతుంది? Some parrots are camels, then no bat is camel will become false. Statement invalid. We cannot draw, this will be true forever. Alternate diagram cannot be drawn, this is true. No parrot is a lion. To make this one false, I need to prove some parrots are lion. Parrot and lion ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా parrot. Hence alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. Hence what is your answer? Both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2, and it is given in choice for question number 13. Next 14. Now 14 chesara? 14th one. Now in this 4 and 24 and 7 and 12. Now 7 square is how much? 49 plus how much is added? Plus 4. And how are you getting this 4? 12 divided by 3 plus the middle number divided by 3. And here again 4 square is 16 plus how much to be added? And this number divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 is how much? 8. 16 plus 8, 24. Saripenda? Now here also 7 square plus 12 by 3. Here 11 square plus something by 3 must be equals to 131. 11 square 121 plus how much is added? 10 is added. As you are adding 10, this 10 is 10 only. Here a number and all 30. 30 divided by 3, that is 10. Saripenda? Number divided by 3 ravali kada middle number. Now here 30 is the number. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 11 square plus 10. 11 square plus 10, 131. Saripenda? Choice 3 is the answer. Clear? First column number n square plus n by 3. And here this number square plus this number by 3. 11 square plus 30 by 3. 30 by 3 is 10. 121 plus 10, 131. Choice 3, question number 14. Then 15th one. Mano starts walking from his house in east direction. Now he walks starting from his house in east direction. This is the starting point. From here first he travels 10 meters, takes left and walks 12 meters, and next right hand side and walks 3 meters, and then he takes left and walks 1 meter, and he again turns left and walks 5 meters. 5 meters means up to here this is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 meters. Then which direction is he moving now? Tell me what is the direction this person is moving? West. West, that is choice 2, question number 15. Then 16th one. There are 5 scales A, B, C, D and E have different weights. B is heavier than E. B is heavier than E, but lighter than what? But lighter than A. Only one scale is heavier than D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is only one scale which is heavier than D. All the remaining 3 are less lighter than this D. A is not the heaviest. As A cannot be the heaviest, A is here, B is here, E is here, and C must be the heaviest. Which of them is the second lightest? B is the second lightest. Choice for question number 16. Clear? Then 17th one. Now there are some 7 persons sitting in a line facing towards which direction? South. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And A sits out to the left of B. B is here. A is seated out to the left of B. B who sits at the right end. Now where is this B? Right end of the row. This one. Now 2 persons, A sits out to the left of B, because all the persons are facing towards south. Next one. And D sits in between A and G. D is in between A and G. G is not an immediate neighbor of B. D is in between, D sits in between A and G. Now if D is here, then D is in between A and G. We can have A at this place, isn't it? And G is not an immediate neighbor of B. Or C sits out to the right of D. Now this is one possibility. Or no, now A is in between out to the left of B, and D sits in between A and G. D is in between A and G. And G is not an immediate neighbor of B, and this case is not possible. As it is not possible, then what is the next case we have? And D sits, D is here, G is here. D is in between A and G. G is not. C sits out to the right of D. 1, 2, 3, C is at this place. C sits out to the right of D. Then who sits second to the left of C? A is the answer, that is choice 3. Information regarding the remaining 2 persons is not known, but where the question is not based on that. And who is seated second to the left of C? That is A, choice 3. Then 18th one, my dear Japal. D, P, F, K, N, P. No, D, P, F, K, N, P. Then what is the value of D? D's value is 4. And P, the value is 16. Sum of the digits is 1 plus 6 is 7. And F is 6. And K is 11. 1 plus 1. That is how much? 1 plus 1 is 2. N is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. P is 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. And 752, 674. And in the same way, what is the code to the word corona? And CORONA. Now the value of C is how much? 3. O is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. R is 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. O is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. N is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. And this is 1. 156963. 156963, choice to question number 18. Then 19th one. Now in this question number 19, the code given to the word nation. Nation is SEW, SEW and FMM. And what is the code to the word proper? PROPER. What is the code to the word proper? Now N and S. S, any relation here? What is the logic behind this one? N and M, isn't it? Now N and S. What is the difference between these two, N and S? Now the difference 14 and 19 plus 5. And A and E, 1 and 5 plus 4. And T and W plus 3. I and F, 9 and minus 3. O and M, minus 2. N and M, minus 1. 5, 4, 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. And similarly here again, plus 5, plus 4, plus 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. P plus 5, 16 plus 5, 21. R plus 4, V. O plus 3, R. P minus 3, 16 minus 3, 13. E minus 2, C. R minus 2, Q. U, V, R, M, C, Q. U, V, R, M, C, Q, choice to question number 19. The next 20th. Now in this 20, Raman's age is 37 years. What is the age of Raman? Now Raman's age is, now it is 37. And if 10 years ago means Raman's age, 10 years ago, 27. Now, Raman's age 10 years ago, now Boson's age was 1/3 of Raman. 10 years ago, Boson's age was 1/3 of Raman's age. That means Boson is 9 years. Then after how many years Boson's age will be 60 years? Now 60 years. 10 years back this person is 9. Now in this year 9 plus 10 and 19. Now this year Boson is now 19 years age. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 60కి రావాలంటే ఇంకెంత యాడ్ చేయాలి? ప్లస్ 41. And so after 41 years this person will be 60 years of age. Choice 3, question number 20. Then 21st. Now in this question number 21, non-verbal series. Now in this non-verbal series, then we need to find out the next one. మా చెప్పండి ఏమొస్తుంది ఆన్సర్ మనకి? Now first, the star. What is the position of the star? Star shifted to the corner and again coming to the center and again going to this corner. Now sir, star. First element. I am talking about the position of the first element. Whatever may be the element that is going to the third place. Ante kada? Now here this first element is going to the third place. Here this first element should go to the third place. Ante kada? First element emundi? And this triangle. Triangle must be at the third place. In all the choices we have triangle at the third place. Then now ikkada second place loki em vastundi cheppandi? Third element shifted to the second place. Ante kada? Ikkada star, ikkada center ku vachindi. Ikkada circle, ikkada center loki ravu. Circle must be at the center. This is again ruled out. Then next migilipoyina element em undi cheppandi? And that is star. And star must be at the beginning. Star at the beginning. And so we are left with 2 choices. Then coming to the next one. And in the next one, a element different on Japan, second element is different between these two, second and third. Now, which element is coming to the second place? First element going to the second place. Now, this first element going to the second place. First element should go to the second place. And smaller square. Hence, choice 1 is the answer. Saripenda? And choice 1, question number 21. Then 22nd. Now, this 22nd, it is based on folding. Now paper folding and cutting here. Now first this paper is folded into half. And next one, now towards upside. And the first folding em cheppandi? In the first folding, now it is mirror image. Now here it is water image. Again it is water image from bottom to top. Now, ikkada manaki there is a cut. Ee cut meaniki ela ayindante this entire cut will be there and this 2 will become 4 and 4 will become 8, 8 will become 6. Ante kada. Hence, all together we need to have 16 elements. Now 16 elements, all these squares must be at the corner. Squares ekkada undali? 4, 4, 4. 8 squares and 8 circles. Ante kada? 8 squares and 8 squares and rectangles. 8 squares and 8 rectangles ekkada unnayi cheppandi. Now here this is ruled out. Now in this one, 8 squares and 8 rectangles. Are you getting this answer here? Ma choice 2 ayye chance unda? Choice 2. Now choice 2. Now this one if you observe here. Now this rectangle will be in which direction? Rectangle will be in parallel to this one. Ila raval. And this is in the vertical. Hence what is your answer here? Choice 4 is the answer. Saripinda? 22nd. Then 23. Eatables, bananas and fruits. All fruits are eatables and all bananas are eatables. All bananas are eatables and all these fruits are eatables. Hence what is your answer? Choice 1. Now these are the bananas which are fruits and these are eatables. 23rd. Then 24. Now we need to find out the mirror image to this one. R which is at the left hand side should go to the right hand side R. And this is Z. And this is 4. Now this 4 must be like this. Next one R, Z, 4 and P. P is like this and this is 5 and finally this is 2. Saripinda? And so what is the choice we have? Choice 1, question number 24. Then mirror image. Then finally 25, embedded figure. Now in this embedded figure is embedded. Now in the first one, is it possible to have first one? No. Ikkada nunchi manaki ila teeskunte. Now this must go to the extreme end, isn't it? Ikkada nunchi manaki square outlet. Choice 1 is ruled out. Again choice 2 if you observe here, this is Z coming to this place, again going to this place. Ikkada nunchi ila vachindi, next ila velli em avali? Straight ki ravali. And it is not happening here as well. And third one, straight away there is no Z at all. And fourth one if you observe here. Now fourth ekkada nunchi vastundi cheppandi? Where can we have this 4? Now can we have this Z like this or not? And again like this. And again from here, this one. And again it is going like this. And after this, there is a line over here and now this, and it is going up, and this is the line we have. Done? And what is your answer here? Choice 4. 25. Now paper number 34.